Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel Bull and Coin. Today we're diving into the basics of trading in just 1 minute. What is trading? Trading is the process of buying and selling assets, like stocks, commodities, or currencies, to make a profit. It's all about timing and strategy. Types of trading. There are several types of trading. Day trading involves buying and selling within the same day, while swing trading focuses on holding assets for days or weeks. Long-term investing is about holding assets for years. Here are some key concepts to understand. Market orders, buying or selling immediately at the current price. Limit orders, setting a specific price at which you want to buy or sell. Charts, traders use charts to analyze price movements and trends. Remember, trading involves risks. Always have a plan and use tools like stop-loss orders to protect your investments. That's a quick overview of trading. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.